Tes. Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. Today I'd like to make a demo on my new project, which is a news website made using Laravel. So here's the homepage of the website. As you can see, first it has a nav bar here. It's invisible, but you can see the title, news, and the icon. And then there's a button written add news to add a new news. And here I already have two news here which I previously made, two example news. And this website has implemented CRUD, which are create, read, update, and delete. So the first is create. I can click this button here at news, and it will go to a form where I could choose an image file for the news, for example this one, and I can input a title. Yeah, I forgot to change this. I can input a title for the new news, for example just something random, and a description, uh, and this description will be visible in the card in the home page. And the third one or the fourth one is the content, which will only be visible if you click read more. And I can click save. Now here's the new news that we just added. So create, read. Okay, now read. I can click read more, and it will go to a page where it displays the image, the title, the description, and also the content here. And there's also the two edit and delete buttons as well. The third is update, which is to edit a resource. I can click edit here on the news, and I can change something. For example, in the title, I will just add an indicator that it was edited. I can click update. Now it's updated, the title is updated. And the last is delete. I can go to the home page here, for example, and click delete on one of the cards, and it will be gone. So it's deleted. So thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.